Alright, what's up guys? Here we are with another demonstration for a website that I'm working on for a client of mine who has a credit consulting business. So I just want to give you guys an update on what we've done on the website so far. This is the mobile view. I can show you the desktop view. However, I wouldn't be able to show you the complete screen and the desktop view. So I'm gonna just switch back to mobile so you guys can see everything. I'm recording on my phone, but if you guys caught the last video, I showed you this AI credit assessment tool that users will be able to take when they visit the website. If you want to catch up on that, just go to my page and see the last video that I did. So after a user lands on the page, they'll have the ability to take the AI credit assessment. And then I wanted to create a way for users to be able to get some value out of the website, whether or not they sign up with the client's services. So in this section, they can actually use AI to write their own credit dispute letters. I've been seeing some other software out there that promises good results. And some of the reviews that I've seen were people just kind of talking about how they can use ChatGPT and other AI tools to do the same thing. So what I decided to do was to try and meet the users where they are, and give them that helpful information or plan of action that they can take immediately. And so one thing that they'll be able to do when they visit this website is they'll be able to copy and paste some AI prompts that they can use. They can use these prompts inside of ChatGPT or their favorite AI tool to create their own dispute letters. So say for example, if a user has a late payment on their credit, they can view the prompt, and then they can actually see the prompt that we provide for them. And remember guys, this website is not done. I'm going to fix a lot of the styling. For example, this viewport, the viewport on this window here with the AI, with the chat text, probably make that a little bit wider or longer. But a user essentially will be able to come here, see the prompt that we provide to them for ChatGPT, and they will be able to copy it. Once they copy it, they'll see the notification prompt copy to clipboard. They'll be able to take that over to their AI tool and help them write their dispute letter. So this is a nice way to provide some value to users that land on their website, whether or not they decide to go with them in their service. We have some for hard inquiry removals, duplicate accounts, identity theft. So if somebody stole your identity, you can have chat write you a dispute letter for fraudulent card accounts, give you all that information and that data that should go in that letter, and then they can copy this and use that inside of their AI tool to write the dispute letter and send that off to the credit bureau. So this would essentially give people an opportunity to get started immediately. If they want to DIY it, do it themselves, and begin writing their dispute letters. And if there's something that they don't want to do, they can let this credit consulting agency help them do that by booking a free strategy call. So I think that's pretty good. Then they will have some social proof where they can display some of their reviews of people that they've already helped with their credit reports already. That section is pretty typical, just to let people know that they're not the only ones using the service. And then we have a section to let people know if they're in the right place, asking them a few questions if they're building their credit, after a hardship, if they want to qualify for a loan for something that they're trying to obtain, or if they have inaccurate information and some other reasons. But this helps the user identify with the website, to draw a connection, to make sure that the user feels like they're in the right place. And then if that resonates with them, they can book a free strategy call. Here, this section just is going to include what's included in their personalized credit plan. And this kind of hints more towards the services that if a user is interested in having this credit consulting company do the work for them, this will outline what they're going to do for them. And if this resonates with them, of course, they'll have the ability to book a free strategy call. And here's our FAQ section. We added a nice little touch here. And like I said, we're going to do some more things when it comes to styling on this website. Right now, I have a meeting with this client in a few days, and we want to make sure that the functionality and what the capabilities of the website will have are answered in that meeting. And once we hone in on website capabilities, we'll be able to hone in a lot better on the styling and multiple pages on the website. So this is just the home page. But here at the bottom where we have the frequently asked questions, we have a nice AI chat prompt response FAQ. So if they ask, is this service just about credit restoration? I don't know if you saw that, but when I click on it, it makes it look like someone is sending the message. It makes it looks like AI is responding directly in the moment. Adds a little bit more of a live type of feel to the website, and then it provides an answer. So any of these prompts that the user clicks on will give that signature SMS text message floating dots. I thought that was a nice touch that we added here. So and then of course we'll have the footer section down at the bottom, and we'll continue to update everything on the website. But I just wanted to give you guys an update, let you know how far we've come in designing this website capabilities. This is just something to take to my client to see how they feel about the capabilities of the website, making sure that we're providing value to the users, and if they are okay with it, then we'll proceed to move more into the styling of the website to make this look pretty, to make it look beautiful, to make it look modern, make sure that it's intuitive and feels good when the user is scrolling on the page. So if this is interesting to you guys, make sure you just follow the page. We're going to do an update after I have a meeting with the client, and I'll let you know whether or not we stay on course for how we've already structured it, or if we're going to change course to figure out another way to go about it. But been coding this and working on this for a few days now. If you guys want to follow along, just make sure you hit that follow button, and until next time, see you in the next video.